MDEX Crypto Swap Platform Usage Experience. In this video, we'll dive into the MDEX Crypto Swap Platform, exploring its features, usability, and who it's best suited for. MDEX is a decentralized exchange, DEX, that allows users to swap various cryptocurrencies with low fees, high liquidity, and seamless integration with multiple blockchains. The platform is primarily designed for users looking for fast, efficient token swaps without relying on centralized exchanges, offering a truly decentralized trading experience. One of the standout features of MDEX is its use of the Automated Market Maker (AMM) model, which ensures continuous liquidity for swaps. The platform operates on multiple chains, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, BSC, and HICO, providing users with more flexibility when trading tokens. With low transaction fees and the ability to earn rewards through liquidity provision, MDEX makes decentralized trading more accessible and cost-effective compared to other DEXs. The user interface of MDEX is intuitive, which is crucial for both newcomers and experienced traders. The platform's design is straightforward, with a clean layout that makes it easy to navigate between swapping, liquidity pools, and staking sections. Users can quickly check token prices, make swaps, or participate in yield farming without any unnecessary delays. One of the unique aspects of MDEX is its focus on improving the user experience by optimizing speed, ensuring that trades are executed swiftly with minimal slippage. MDEX is also tailored for DeFi enthusiasts. If you're into yield farming or liquidity mining, the platform provides opportunities to stake tokens and earn MDEX rewards, making it more than just a place to swap crypto. It offers multiple liquidity pools, enabling users to diversify their earnings while supporting the ecosystem's growth. Additionally, the platform's governance mechanism allows users to vote on important protocol decisions, giving them a sense of ownership and control. For users who are security conscious, MDEX provides a secure and transparent environment, leveraging decentralized technology to reduce the risks of hacking or fraud. However, as with all crypto platforms, it's essential to exercise caution and ensure you're following best practices for wallet security. Overall, MDEX is an excellent option for experienced traders and DeFi enthusiasts who want to swap tokens, earn rewards, and participate in governance, all while enjoying a fast, secure, and cost-effective experience. Whether you're just starting with DeFi or looking for an efficient platform to manage your crypto swaps, MDEX offers a solid solution with its diverse features and user-friendly interface.